Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. One of the best ways to leverage your spare time is to learn a new skill. New skills are fun, useful and are often great at making a well-rounded person and also might help you to earn extra earning out of it. In my previous video, I have talked about the skills I have learned in my last months and I wanted to continue doing that. Keeping that in mind, I thought to share the video with you all about the skills to learn in your free time. Sharing with you all here 12 useful and valuable skills to learn that will improve your life both personally and professionally. Let's get started. So first skill I wanted to discuss here is speed reading. Do you wonder how people read more and more books in a year? It was same for me until I came across speed reading. During the last years, I started a habit of reading books in my free time. But I wanted to read more and more books. Then I started researching about this and I came to know about the speed reading concept. Speed reading is all about understanding the fundamental behind human visual system. It allows you to eliminate insufficiencies in your reading and increase the speed at which you read while improving your retention. Going through this process, even slight improvement of your reading can add a lot of benefit in the long term. And many people report massive gain in reading speed after building the speed reading skill. Also, if you would like to quick primer on the speed reading, Team Ferris has a quick video about that which teaches us a few basics of the process. This is a very good video I have came across. If you want to check it out, it's in YouTube. I'll give the link in the description below. You can check it out. So next skill I want to talk about is public speaking. Perhaps the most important skill today. The skill of public speaking can make or break your career. Now, when we say about public speaking, it is not necessarily talking in front of thousands or hundreds of crowd. Public speaking is the art of effectively and efficiently communicating your ideas, thoughts and feelings to a group of people. Learning this skill will surely gain more trust from the people, and because you are clearly communicating with them, with higher credibility comes higher growth. There are many online courses available about public speaking from where you can learn this skill. Personally, I recommend a video which is in Coursera that is about introduction to public speaking. This is a very good course which will make you understand what is public speaking is about and how to develop this skill in your life as well. The next skill I wanted to talk about here is art of negotiation. Being in a software background for so long and doing job in India and abroad made me learn this skill in my corporate career. While most of the people might think the negotiation can make disagreement and argument, the art of negotiation can help you to make you learn the skill which you can negotiate in a better way and making sure that every party to a conversation is satisfied and no one is left worse off. Negotiation also helps create your identity in a crowd because you create a space where your terms are not compromised very easily while still satisfying the needs of other party in the conversation. If you want to grab a job or switch in your career or you want to start a freelancing also, this skill is a must have and you must learn it on your free time for the better result. Next skill I wanted to talk about financial management. If you are following me so far, you know how much I talk about personal finances and financial management. Finance is the make or break item of an individual or a business. As an individual, it is crucial to manage your finances well because a situation like this, current pandemic, could hit us in any moment. And if our finances are not well planned, things could be very sour. Financial management is also crucial to ensure that when an opportunity presents itself, you have the resources necessary to take a risk. It will make your life stable and also keeps you ready for any challenging times. Next skill I wanted to talk about investing. Once you are good at financial management, you must learn about investing. Investing is equally important like saving. Investing is likely one of the most financially wise skill you can learn online. You don't need a lot of money to start investing. Learn investing so that you know how much and how you can start investing with your little amount of money and without any risk involved in it. Once I learned the value of investing, it changed my entire outlook of finances. Every penny in the present seemed more valuable than ever before. And for the first time in my life, investing got me thinking about the future 20, 30 or even 40 years ahead. Investing is all about planning for the future, and everyone can learn a thing or two from it. That's why I consider investing as another one of the most valuable skill you can learn in an online format. Next tip I wanted to talk about is emotional intelligence. Times like this can really test our emotional and mental strength. A great way to build strength and resilience against crisis is to learn how to practice emotional intelligence. It's important to take control of ourselves, our thoughts, emotions and actions. There are a lot of sub-skills which makes us learn to resilient about our emotional intelligence. These are mindfulness, managing your thoughts and emotion, and self-coaching. Learning these things will make you to build strength and resilience and also make you to practice your emotional intelligence. Next skill I wanted to talk about is basic of a new language. I have talked about so many times how learning a new language plays a role in our career. Learning a new foreign language can provide a number of amazing results in your life. You can use language learning to travel to fun places and actually speaks to local. The most important thing I can see here is advance your career opportunities while applying job in abroad. I'm sure if you flaunt your basic skill of a new language, it will take you to a long way. Learning the whole complete language might seem impossible. So you can start learning the basics of it. And if you also communicate the few lines of a new language, even in any of the places, I guess that will take a long way to your career journey. There are plenty of courses available in YouTube, Udemy, Coursera you wanted to take up with. And also there are apps I have talked about in my previous videos where you can learn the basic of new languages. Next skill I wanted to talk about here is organize and declutter your home. Have you ever heard of KonMari method of decluttering? Honestly, I didn't know about it before the day when I saw Netflix series of organizing and decluttering. It is currently the hottest and most popular method of home decluttering. The KonMari method was created by Marie Kondo, who owns a business in Tokyo, where she teaches her method to help people turn their homes into a peaceful and inspiring spaces. It starts with discarding things that you do not need in your home anymore, and then organizing what is left. Having a clean home will help you to de-stress your life and live in a place that is free from clutter. I have talked about so many cleaning and organizing videos in my YouTube channel. You can check it out later. Next skill I wanted to talk here is gardening. If you are following me in my Insta, you know how much I love gardening. And let me tell you, this is not a habit or a skill which I was having from the start. This is the habit I developed since past few years. I have learned this process since past few years, and by now this is one of the therapeutic and relaxing skill I can ever think of. I must say, with my experiment, I have killed few plants, but slowly and steadily I was able to learn it, and by now I have plenty of plants in my home which grows well, and the place looks so beautiful. Learning this skill also might just help you to make a place convert to a beautiful yard or garden, or just grow your own veggies in your small place. Growing something in your own gives you an immense pleasure, and also a lot of positivity and happiness will get added to your life. Next skill I wanted to talk about is learn meal planning. I have already talked about the benefits it provides and also how much spare time it adds up whoever needs a free time from their busy life. We all know Indian cooking takes a lot of time. Learning meal planning and batch cooking for a week can help you to manage your time better. We spend a lot of time deciding what to eat, grocery shopping, cooking, and then cleaning up after dinner. By planning ahead and organizing your meals, it means there is no more last minute trips to the shop and reduces the aimless wandering and overspending when you are there. It will help you to control your portion, which is helpful for weight loss, reduces the stress of last minute cooking, and avoid eating unhealthy, and also help you to enjoy more variety. Next skill I wanted to talk here is creating a passive income. Passive income can be a great way to generate extra cash flow. With the pandemic throwing the job situation of many into disarray, passive income helps you to bridge the gap if you voluntarily take time away from your work. With passive income, you can have money coming in even as you pursue your primary job. Or if you are able to build up a solid stream of passive income, you might want to kick back a little. Either way, a passive income gives you extra help and security in your life. And if you are worried about being able to save enough of your earnings to meet your retirement goals, building wealth through passive income is a strategy that might appeal to you too. There are a lot of information available how to start with a passive income, and also you can research about it. Next skill I wanted to talk about here is master a yoga pose. We all know how much benefit yoga provides to our health and well-being. With the situation around, outdoor exercise or going to gym is not an option. And sometimes we just skip the exercise as it is boring or we feel we don't have much time. But if you take a pose and try to master on that will give you extra boost to add up in your everyday life, and you can learn a new pose of the yoga too. Practicing yoga has a serious health benefit beyond flexibility and balance. Plus, striking an impressive yoga form looks ridiculously cool. It will get you to the interest towards the exercise. At the same time, you'll get a lot of health benefit out of it as well. These are the skills which you can find online in any of the platform like Udemy, Coursera, Skillshare or YouTube. Making yourself learning these skills will surely add up a plus point into your life. With this note, I hope you find this video helpful and useful. If you liked my today's video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with whoever needs it. And also don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that bell icon to get the notification. Thank you for watching my videos. I will see you all in my next video. Until then, stay home, stay safe, take care. Bye bye.